We will now continue our WAEC class on English language from where we stopped in part 1. What you are watching now is part 2. I gave you a question, and that is where we are starting from. Choose the word that is most nearly opposite in meaning. Opposite in meaning. Do not always reprimand your children. It is good to dash them at times. So we are saying the opposite meaning of reprimand. Is it advice? Is it forgive? Is it compliment? Or is it pamper? I gave this question to you as an assignment in part 1 video. And in this part, the correct answer, the opposite of reprimand, is compliment. Do not always reprimand your children. It is good to dash them at times. The correct answer is it is good to compliment them at times. It is good to do what? Compliment them. Opposite meaning of reprimand is C. Compliment them. Okay. Now let's look at this question number 11. We are changing gear. Choose the word that best complete each of the following sentence. This one is best complete. Remember, if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to give you free WAEC past questions. Free WAEC past questions. Some of you don't have WAEC past questions. You don't have money. There is no excuse. Just watch this particular video till the end, and you will be able to receive free WAEC past questions from me. Okay. Choose the word that best complete each of the following. Best completes. We are no longer doing opposite in meaning. This one is best complete. The aggrieved customers staged a fierce dash on the street. The aggrieved customers staged a fierce dash on the street. A fierce fight. B. A fierce protest. C. A fierce argument. C. D. A fierce contest. The aggrieved customers staged a fierce dash on the street. Is it fierce fight, fierce protest, fierce argument, and fierce contest? The answer is protest. Of course, if you are in Nigeria, you should be conversant with protest. Whether you are in Ghana and all the rest, you should be very conversant with protest. By the way, I want to know the country you are watching from. If you are watching it from Nigeria, let me know. If you are watching from Ghana, Sierra Leone, I think Gambia also writes WAEC. Let me know in the comment section. Question number 12. Choose the word that best complete each of the following sentences. Remember that what you are watching is part 2 of our class on English language. We have done several other videos, part 1, part 3, part 4, part 10, and all the rest. If you want me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on WAEC exam, especially on English, if you want me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on English, WAEC English, past question and answer, expo questions, expected questions, just let me know in the comment section. Say, sir, please give me access to all the videos you've done on WAEC English language. Okay. Choose the word that best complete the following sentence. A. The accused was brought before the jury for a court dash. The accused was brought before a jury for a court dash. A court sitting. B. A court hearing. C. A court judging. D. A court proceeding. The answer is for a court hearing. For a court hearing. For a court hearing. Remember, the question is choose the word that is best. All of them can complete it, but they now want the one that can best complete it. That is why sometimes WAEC repeats the question, right? And as you are watching these videos I'm giving you, you are getting yourself prepared, because your goal and my prayer for you is that you are going to score A's in your WAEC, your English, your mathematics, your other subject. I want you to claim it. Somebody shout, I claim it in the comment section. I want you to claim that in this WAEC exam, you are going to score A's. You are going to score A's. Nobody following this YouTube channel will score F. No, you will not score D. No, it is not your portion. Your portion is A's, distinctions. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. Question number 13. Choose the word that best complete each of the following sentences. Question 13. From his dash, one can tell that he is an athlete. From his dash, one can tell that he is an athlete. A. Physique. B. Stature. C. Gait. D. Anatomy. From his dash, one can tell that he is an athlete. Is it physique, stature, gait, or anatomy? The answer is physique. from his physique. That if you see an athlete, you will know now, and their muscle, their leg, everything well developed. From his physique, one can tell that he's an athlete. Now, assignment number 1 for this video, for this class, is go over to your dictionary and tell me the definition of these 4 words. Define physique, tell me definition, then stature, tell me definition, then gait, tell me definition, then anatomy, tell me the definition. One of the things that will help you to pass your any exam, whether WAEC, JAB, NECO, GCE, any exam you have on English, is form the habit of going to the dictionary to check the meaning of words. Some people, when they see a strange word, they will jump and pass. No, it's not your portion. Anytime you see a strange word, go over to your dictionary, whether dictionary in your phone, in your system, or a physical dictionary that you have in your house or library. Get it, check on the word, and know the meaning. When I was younger, I used to write out. When I had a book that I always write out strange words. Okay, it's very, very crucial for you. Now, the next question. Question number 14. Choose the word that best complete each of the following sentences. Choose the word that best completes each of the following sentences. A. The death of that journalist is still dashed in memory. The death of that journalist is still dashed in memory. A. Conveyed in memory. B. Shadowed in memory. C. Shrouded in memory. D. Confined in memory. The death of that journalist is still dashed in memory. The answer is the death of that journalist is still dashed in memory. Is it conveyed in memory, shadowed in memory, shrouded in memory, or confined in memory? Okay, the death of that journalist is still dashed in mystery. Is it conveyed in mystery, shadowed in mystery, shrouded in mystery, or confined? The correct answer is C, shrouded in mystery. That means it's not yet clear. It's not yet clear. Are you getting me? It's not yet clear. And I want you to go over to your dictionary and tell me the meaning of shrouded. C-S-H-R-O-U-D-E-D. Tell me what is the meaning. These assignments I give you are very, very important. Remember, what you are watching, I'm not teaching you as somebody that is maybe a skit maker. This is not skit making. This is not Nollywood. This is not football match. I am giving you something that will help you pass your WAEC exam in one sitting. Remember that this time WAEC is talking about personalized question. So WAEC is against cheating. You cannot even copy your neighbor's own, because your neighbor's question will be far different from your own. So let's pay closer attention. Question number 15. If you watch this video to the end, remember, if you watch this video to the end, you will qualify to get from me free WAEC pass questions on your WAEC subjects. Free WAEC pass questions on your WAEC subjects. So just watch this video to the end and you will get them. The defendant was charged with dash because he caused his neighbor's death. The defendant was charged with dash because he caused his neighbor's death. A. Fratricide. B. Patricide. C. Genocide. D. Homicide. The answer is homicide because he caused his neighbor's death. Causing of death. You can also go dictionary and find the meaning of this word, but the correct proper answer that best fills the gap is homicide. I want to believe you are serious. I want to believe you are following, you are learning. Let me say again that your portion is to score A. Your portion is to score A in your English exams. If you believe it, type I claim it. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. Seeing a young crop dash from the soil is a rare experience. Seeing a young crop dash from the soil is a rare experience. A. Thrive from the soil. B. Sprout from the soil. C. Project from the soil. D. Creep from the soil. What does crops do? Crops sprout. Like if you plant granules, after some time it will grow, start developing from the ground, and before you know it will push up. It will sprout out from the ground. It's not something you see often. Okay? By the way, farming is very important. If you are watching this, farming is very important, whether you are in Nigeria, whether in Sierra Leone, in Ghana, or in Gambia. Okay. Choose the word that best complete each of the following sentences. Best complete. Best complete. A. Lawyers are still making efforts to interpret the new dash. Lawyers are still making effort to interpret the new dash. A. Language. B. Technique. C. System. D. Statute. Lawyers are still making efforts to interpret the new dash. A. Is it language? B. Is it technique? C. Is it system? Or D. Is it statute? The answer is statute. Statute, not statue of a molded thing. Statute. Okay. Question number 18. Remember the assignments I gave you. I am waiting for the answers in the comments section. The cargo. Choose the word that best complete each of the following sentences. Choose the word that best complete. Best complete. Best complete. The cargo was intercepted on sea by dash. The cargo was intercepted on sea by dash. The cargo was intercepted on sea by dash. A. Pirates. B. Thieves. C. Terrorists. D. Robbers. When it comes to sea, when it comes to people that rob on the sea, they are called pirates. They are called pirates. Remember, the question is the word that best complete. So WAEC will give you options that are related. Like you can see pirates, thieves, terrorists, robbers. These are all criminals. These are all bad people. But when it comes to robbing on the sea, the correct answer is pirates. The correct answer is what? Pirates. You are lucky for watching this video. And remember to, aside watching part 2, also watch part 1. Watch all the videos we've done on English language for WAEC exam. If you need me to give you all access, the link to all the videos we've done on English language and WAEC, ask me in the comment section and I could give it to you. Choose the word that best complete each of the following sentences. 19. The doctors dash Bola's grandmother after the heart attack. The doctors dash Bola's grandmother after the dash attack. A. Regenerated. B. Resuscitated. C. Resurrected. D. Revivified. Revivified. The doctors dash Bola's grandmother after the heart attack. A. Regenerated. B. Resuscitated. C. Resurrected. D. Revivified. I am not giving you the answer to this question. I want you to tell me the answer in the comment section. What do you think is the answer? The doctors dash Bola's grandmother after the heart attack. Is it regenerated? Is it B. Resuscitated? Or C. Resurrected? Or D. Revivified? Tell me what you think is the answer in the comment section. Because the couple cannot agree on many things, the relationship is now dash. Because the couple cannot agree on many things, their relationship is now dash. A. Stressed. B. Uneasy. C. Strained. D. Tensed. Because the couple cannot agree on many things, the relationship is now dash. A. Stressed. B. Uneasy. C. Strained. D. Tensed. The answer is the relationship is now strained. The relationship is now strained. Any normal person can say stressed or tensed, but the one that is most appropriate is the relationship is now strained. Now we look at, choose the interpretation that is most appropriate for each sentence. Look at this question. Choose the interpretation or interpretation. This is a real WAEC question. Choose the interpretation that is most appropriate for each sentence. 21. Revealing that information will cut the ground from under my feet. Revealing that information will cut the ground from under my feet. What does it mean for something to cut ground under your feet? This means that it will dash A, expose my plans, B, ruin my plans, C, support my plans, D, promote my plans. What do you think is the answer? Revealing the information will cut the ground under my feet. Is it expose my plans, ruin my plans, support my plans, or promote my plans? Just attempt. You may not know the answer, but tell me what you think is the answer in the comment section, because in the next video, part 3, we are continuing from where we stopped. We will continue from question number 21. For you to receive the free past question, free past question on WAEC, if you want to receive it, now that you have watched this video to the end, what you have to do is like this video. Just click on like, then share this video, click on share this video on here on YouTube, click on share, copy the link, share it on WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, Telegram channels, and all the rest. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do what? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type "I've subscribed." When I see you type "I've subscribed," I will chat you up and send you the past questions on your WAEC subjects. Also, if you want to become a full member of our YouTube channel so that you can have my phone number, you can call me, you can ask your questions, the best thing for you to do is to join. Click on join. There's option to join. Click on join and join our YouTube channel right now. There's an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it immediately and watch.